What's the meaning of crucial? Crucial. Crucial.
Crucial. Crucial. The word crucial can be defined as something that is extremely important or essential to the success of a particular situation, task, or goal. When something is described as crucial, it implies that without it, the whole project or endeavor might fail. Therefore, it is essential to pay careful attention to any crucial elements present within a specific context to ensure future success. Often, the consequences of overlooking or neglecting something labeled as crucial can have a significant impact on the achievement of desired outcomes.